most important thing for me really to talk about is the issue about mana motuhake tino rangatiratana. It's an issue that we need to place as a year of the election, more important than the election. The issue of tino rangatiratana mana motuhake is an issue that we all need to talk about. It's a take. I'm not going to talk to you about it today, but it's a take that every whānau in hapu need to take it back to their whānau, to their hapu. How te mana motuhake. It's not something that we should be scared of. It not be something that people ought to be to the point that what happened last year. They had to send a squad there to kill me and many others. It's not very nice when something like that happens to you. But the mana motuhake is about freedom. Free to be a tūhoe and free to be a ngāpuhi and free to be a waikato. To me, that mana motuhake is about that. And free to be a Pākehā and free to be every one of those things. So we need to, of course we need to lay it out there and talk about that. More important to me about the relationship between the Māori Party and the National Party and the Labour Party. To me, the most important hake that we need to talk about for the whole of this year or for the next 5 years, we need to talk about it. What does it look like? Mana motuhake. So all we need to look at Ireland, Wales, Scotland. They talk about their mana motuhake. So mana motuhake is not about creating a separate state and separate society. Mana motuhake is something that we live with. It's still happening today. So all of this hoo-ha about separatists is created by the media and many other people that don't want us to be who we are. Nera. No reira e wam. So I'm not here to preach about it, but I think it had to be short and sweet and something really important. And I think that we need to, if you believe in that, so we need to take that in your taring, in your heart and your soul, and you need to take that take to your whānau, to your children, to your kohanga reo, and we got to do it. We got to do it. There are interesting things that are happening because funny thing, next week I'm talking to a group of white middle class. It's a group called Probus, I think. There's a group there that in the local branch in Whakatane. And they also want to know what it looked like. And so I'm going to go down and say, I'm not too sure how I'm going to do it. So there had to be something we need to create a way. How are we able to communicate and take that forward? Just the way that we teach our tamariki about the kohanga reo. And so we need to recreate a way that we can able, because we cannot afford to be deaf and blind, because we're not. And so we need to open their eyes and their ears and see mana motuhake is something that's beautiful. And it's for you, for me, and for the future. And don't get locked up in this hype about nothing.